This is how to duplicate pages. All right, in Canva, I'll walk you through how to duplicate some pages, few pages, and I will also walk you through on how to mass duplicate. So once you log in, search for any template of your choice. So here, let's use Notebook to experiment. So this is free. I'll click on it and select customize this template. Now let's say I want to duplicate this notebook here. What you need to do is to click at one of the vertices at the top. All right, you can see this note has been selected. I can duplicate and I can click here again and duplicate this one as well. But this is duplication by singles or one after the other. Now I want to mass duplicate, maybe to duplicate 3, 4, 5 as a go. All right, so let's see how we're going to do that. Let me add 3. This is 4. Let's say, okay, this is 5. Okay, 5 pages now. So what you need to do is to take your cursor to this part where you have these 4 squares, grid view. All right, click on that. So once you click on this grid view, you will see what you have already. Okay, so take your cursor to one of them and click. On clicking on that, press and hold on the control key of your computer keyboard and start clicking on the rest. Okay, now that we have clicked on the rest 4 to make it 5, start clicking on this duplicate. Okay, so it's going to duplicate 5 at once. All right, and if you keep clicking, it will keep duplicating them 5 by 5. If it's 10 you selected, it will duplicate them 10 by 10 until you get the number of pages you want. It is that simple.